Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this device. You need to begin by selecting one of your apps like Chrome and clicking on this square button. Now click on the icon of an app and select split screen. From here you need to select the other app like Play Store and operate both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards and clicking on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!